all wondering about it. What is this? Be Forever. Be Forever. It's a new line of American Girl dolls. They're the historicals with new outfits and accessories, plus a new concept. Samantha will be coming back, and maybe a new doll from the 1850s. But they will be retiring all the friend dolls, which is unfortunate. We are glad to announce that Be Forever will be coming out hopefully this September. Are you as excited as I am? I'm Laurel Copeland. And I'm Annabeth Chase. They'll be retiring Julie's best friend, Ivy Ling. Kit's best friend, Ruthie Smithens. And Marie Grace and Cecile. They'll be bringing back Samantha. And that's it on American Girl News. Thanks for watching.